Caddy time here at the Unique Specialty and Classics 1961 Cadillac Series 62 Coupe, or also would be known as a hardtop. This particular car looks very much the way it did when it came from General Motors back in 1961. Olympic white paint, blue cloth interior. You can tell from the data tag. We have paint coat at 1233 trim, so still very original looking. Let's go ahead and take a look at this grille, bumper, headlight surrounds. Show very nicely. Car's kind of been in the same ownership group of friends, so to speak, for the past 15 to 20 years. Car guys that have had this, that have known each other. It's well taken care of, well respected car. Now if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside, engine bay, interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course you can call us to 507-386-1726. Take a look down the passenger side of this, and you know how long those panels are. If this has had a bunch of poor body work done to it, it is going to stand out like a sore thumb. This car, as you can see, appears to be very straight. Fender skirts in the rear. Take a little peek at the interior. Again, blue cloth. I did notice a little wear on the rear interior right there. Looks like it could be original yet. Headliner, good shape. Underneath the hood of this vehicle, 390 V8 power. That is paired up with an automatic transmission. Also nicely equipped car, factory AC, even it appears everything is intact. I have had the blower fans working on the inside of the car, power steering, power brakes also. But check out these wings in that 61. Of course, 61, the year it was re-engineered and restyled as far as Cadillac Series 62. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Just gotta love the rear end of these cars. And again, check out the chrome, the bright work. All shows very nicely. And you can see pictures of the trunk inside. And again, the interior, undersides, engine bay, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Let's take a look down the driver's side of this car. And again, with those long panels, like I said, if you had any sort of poor body work, it is going to stand out. This car, very straight. All right, let's check out this interior a little bit. We're going to start it up. Let you hear it run. We'll take a peek at the engine bay. Power windows. Did notice the passenger rear a little tougher to get going and started up and down. Of course, AC controls over on this side. Wipers, had the wipers working. That was fine. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. Gas gauge appears to work. Looks like the temp gauge will start to go up. I want you to check out a little spot on the dash there I want to point out. Other than that, dash looking very stock, actually just a very stock looking car in general, with the exception of a couple aftermarket gauges underneath here, which is nice for amps, and then of course engine oil pressure. I did turn on the radio when we got in here too. I want to see if it power up. Did power up. Radio does work.
We're going to start keeping a list.
There you go. Odometer reads 97,624. Kind of tough to confirm or deny original miles. Once the vehicle has reached a certain age, the miles don't stay on the title anymore. So slip around to the back, let you hear it run. Sounds like you'd expect. No crazy exhaust, anything like that. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's pop the hood and check out the engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here's that 390, and it is a smooth runner. Like I said, kind of in the same ownership group of friends. Good, well taken care of. And a cherished vehicle for them, just put it that way. Being sold for an estate now, unfortunately. And as you can see, AC, everything appears to be intact. Nice, smooth running car, power steering, power brakes, AC, very nicely equipped, as you would imagine, with a 1961 Cadillac Series 62 Coupe or two-door hardtop. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call or email.